Hello, beautiful people. It's Karen. I hope you are having a sublime day. We are in the heart of summer. That means avocados are in season, and that's the perfect time for guacamole. So you can make a lovely batch of guacamole, relatively inexpensive, and it's fresh and vibrant and popping. Let's go take a look at the ingredients. To make your amazing guacamole, you will of course need avocados, as few or as many as you'd like. You'll need some fresh cilantro. You will need fresh garlic. You're going to mince your garlic. You'll need some red onions. You're also going to mince your red onions. You'll need a tomato. You want to seed the tomato. You want to make sure that you get all of the seeds out, because if you don't, your guacamole will be watery. You do not want that. So make sure you seed your tomato. You'll need hot pepper of some sort. I am using habanero and serrano. You'll need some fresh lime juice. You will need some cumin. Make sure you do not leave out the cumin. Cumin is an essential ingredient in really good, authentic guacamole. So make sure you get some cumin. All the vegetables are chopped, and now we're going to add them to the bowl and mix them. Next, we're going to add our avocados. When you are making guacamole and you're buying your avocados, make sure they are soft if you want to make the guacamole the same day or the next day. Because if they're not soft when you buy them, they're not going to be sufficient for you to make guacamole. Now, if they're slightly hard when you buy them and you need to ripen them really quick, put them in a brown paper bag with a banana, and the enzymes from the banana will ripen your avocados fairly quickly, so they should be ready the next day or the day after. The quickest way and the most efficient way to get the meat out of an avocado is with a spoon. So just go around the edges of the avocado with your spoon, and it comes out whole. Everyone likes their guacamole a different consistency. I don't like mine super fine. I like there to be chunks of avocado in my guacamole. So I use a fork to do the mashing, and that allows you to get it fairly smooth, but you can still control the consistency of it and whether or not you actually leave some chunks of guacamole in it. So you do what works for you, but I like to know that I'm actually eating some avocado when I'm eating guacamole. Once you've added as many avocados as you like to your mixture, you want to then salt it. And add your cumin as well. Again, do not leave out the cumin. And the very last step is to add your lime juice. You want to add some lime juice to the top of this and incorporate that. And then add a bit more to the top, because that will keep it from browning. And there is your guacamole. So there you have an authentic batch of guacamole. Now, if you refrigerate this for at least an hour, the flavors will be far more intense. So if you have the time, refrigerate it. Make it and enjoy. Hello, beautiful people. It's Karen. I hope you enjoyed the recipe for my amazing guacamole. If you did, hit the subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos. Until we meet again, think sublime thoughts.